Hi everyone. I'm coming in today to talk about what else Adobe Spark can do for you. So earlier we made the photo collage. Now we're going to come over here and try video. So from the dashboard, click in the upper left here where the cross was, and then in the drop-down menu, select the video. Give it a title, and then you can choose a template, or you can make up your own. I'm going to go ahead and choose the template. We are promoting an idea today, so I'll pick this one. So as it swirls, I'll briefly describe that Adobe Spark does not make a video as you would in Premiere. It's kind of like a combination between Canva, PowerPoint, and video. So it's a unique sort of thing that we're working with. It's really good for social media, but it's also really good for brief storytelling, which we do a lot of. You'll use this throughout Term 1 and Term 2. So when you're coming into your template, you can see that it's laid out what you can do on each slide. Up here at the top, you have your preview and share icons. The share icon shares this to Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, wherever you're sending it. The download button obviously downloads this to your computer, and the share button here at the top can allow you to share this with anyone you want to work with. So it's perfect for collaborating on a project. Now I can change the layout of my slides by clicking this button here and varying what I want them to look like. I can change the theme of my slides. So some of them have different colors, so I can change it like that. Or I can come down and pick any format I want. I'll take this one. And I can resize them. So if it's for computer, I can pick a wide screen. If you're putting it somewhere on Instagram, for example, you can pick the square. And then you can add music. This is all included in your Adobe Spark, so you don't have to give copyright credit, but I would always include at the end, like in your references, where you took this music from and what it was called. You can also add your own music here in this button. But if you're going to do that, please ask Noelle about 5-alarm music. You cannot pull music from YouTube. At VFS, we don't let you do that. You need to use something called 5-alarm to search for royalty-free music. So if you want to do that, hit this button and then download it from 5-alarm. But if not, there's music right here for you. So what I'm going to do first is to add some content. So here's a text and icon option. I can also add video or photo. If I add a photo, I can upload a photo from my computer. I can take a photo, or I can find free photos. I'm going to talk about climate change. An icon of climate change is the polar bear. These are all under the Creative Commons license, so you do not need to worry about copyright. But do not pull random images from the internet. You never know when they're going to be copyrighted. Finally, I can adjust the length that the video stays on this slide down here. And I can add voice here by clicking the microphone and pressing and holding while I'm speaking like this. I can also add some text if I wanted to. And I can move it around, whatever I need. I can also add video. You would pull video from whatever you've been working on from your computer and add it here. You can adjust the length of it once the video is in there. That's all for now. I hope this was useful.